Hello, it's Deborah from the attic, and I'm here today with the April box from Your Creative Studio, which is always exciting. I love receiving their boxes. They're just so packed with lovely things. There's a delay on this one because it was actually sent in error to England, so then I've had to arrange to have it sent to me here in France, but it's arrived. So let's have a quick look inside before we get on to making something with it. The cards are always exquisite and they describe, or they give a suggestion of what you're going to find in the box itself. We're going to have a really quick look through these contents. There's usually washi tape in each box. This one is no exception. This has beautiful washi tape, lovely designs on it, and these are perforated, so it's like stamps. This is the first of 2 stamps. Isn't that beautiful? It's got a barrow with some flowers in it. Our second stamp can be used landscape, and it's an urn with some flowers tumbling out of it. I always love these packs with loads and loads of variations in it, all these different stamps, and these are sticky backed, so you just peel off the protective cover on the back and you can use it, you can stick it straight into your journals. These are beautiful, a whole range of different butterflies in different colours. This is so beautifully packaged. Everything is layered so you get a hint of what's inside, and there's this beautiful dried flower arrangement. It's so delicate. And then these are parchment style paper stickers. You can see they have protective backing, and you just peel that off and stick them straight into your journal. These are just so lovely, all flower related. Beautiful, beautiful pieces for your journals. I absolutely love these greens. They're so pretty. It's a very soothing colour. We have yet more stamps as well, and these are all related to gardening. There are gardening related stickers as well, and these chime with the stamps from earlier. There's usually a sticky notepad as well, and here is this month's, and it just has a little line of that sort of tacky glue at the top, but you can remove it from projects. Again, great for little stick-it, post-it notes. In this bag we've just got endless paper ephemera. Now this is made from quite sturdy card. It's not sticky on the back, but that would make a great focal point, not just for a page in a journal, but for a card, for example, for somebody who loves working in their garden. The range of gardening things in this is just lovely. So many pieces in there. In this pack we have more paper ephemera. And these are lovely. So some of these are solid and they have these lovely gardening designs on them. Again, these can be used as great focal points in journals or in cards. And also at the back we have a few of these, what I absolutely love, these parchment style. They're ever so slightly transparent, and these echo the paper solid colours that we saw earlier. These are just beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And the texture is so nice, so soft. To quickly finish up, we have this range of tissue paper. These are so thin and fine. So I'm going to be making up 5 layouts in my art journal and sharing them with you using only the contents of this kit.